Get paid $10 to $100 just by reading books and giving your opinions. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be bringing you sites that will pay you to read and review books. Legit sites that will pay you if you read their books, read books of authors, give a review about the books, and you get paid real money that you can withdraw through PayPal, through gift cards, and through bank transfer. So guys, stick around. Make sure to leave a comment, like, subscribe, and let's get into it. The first site that I'll be talking about that will pay you to become a book reviewer, it's called Redsea. Redsea, if you come to redsea.com, are you a passionate book reviewer? Read new books for free before anyone else. Manage submissions directly from authors, meaning you get books directly from the authors. They'll send it to you. Help authors launch their books on Discovery. Complete your profile and build your brand. So, and you get to be paid a minimum of $5 for being a reviewer on Redsea. So all you have to do is submit your application to become a book reviewer on Redsea. Put down your email address, your name, your password, and when you get accepted, you become a book reviewer on Redsea and you start making money. Redsea doesn't really pay much, so I'm gonna give it. It doesn't really pay much, so I'm gonna give it a 3/10. With respect to the book reviewing sites that I know, I'm gonna give Redsea a 3/10 because $5 is truly. The second website is called Kiko's Reviews. It's actually a renowned book review organization. So what you have to do here is most of Kiko's reviewers, they are well experienced authors, people that are experienced. So you come here to career opportunities, you apply. It's looking for experienced book reviewers of English and Spanish language titles to review books for Easy. The book review magazine section dedicated to self-published authors. So to apply, submit your resume, writing samples, and a list of reviewing specialties to Kiko's. So Kiko's is gonna pay you like from $200 to $500 because Kiko's is one of those renowned sites where authors come there and submit your books. They have best-selling books. They have different kinds of authors. They have different kinds of books, fiction, mystery, romance, any kind of books that you're looking for. If you go on Kiko's, you're gonna see it, and it's a good site. So I'm gonna give Kiko's a, because it's difficult to get accepted, I'm gonna give it a 5/10. You have to have experience. You have to be an experienced book reader. You have to be an experienced publisher for you to get accepted on Kiko's. So I'm gonna give it a 5/10. So that's it for Kiko's. Let's go to the next site. The next site I will be talking about is called Online Book Club. Online Book Club, I feel like many people know it. When you come to Online Book Club, they say get paid to review books completely free. How does it work? You are given a selection of books to choose. The books are free for you in exchange for a review. After your first approved review, you'll be eligible to get paid. There's never any cost to you. That's completely free to you, the reviewer. You do not have to say you love the book. If you didn't, you are being paid for your honest review. Meaning you have to be honest. Even if the book is terrible, tell the writer that the book is terrible. Even if the book lacks substance, tell the writer that the book lacks substance. Most payouts range from $5 to $60 per review, meaning Online Book Club is actually better as compared to the other sites because you can get a book for $60 that will pay you $60 per review. And what you need to do is just sign up, send your email address, sign up with your email address. And yeah, you don't need to be qualified. You don't need to have any experience. You don't need to be a qualified reviewer or anything. You just need to be an individual that is willing to read. If you're a book lover, if you love to read, if you have the zeal to read, that's all it takes. You just have to come on here, sign up, and make sure they said the first book that you review is going to be free. So you have to review a book first before you can get accepted. After reviewing the book, then from the second book that you review, that's when they'll start paying you. So definitely it's a good site. I'm gonna give Online Book a 6.5/10. A 6.5/10 is a good site. Then the next one, which I think is one of my favorites, is called Proofreading Service. Proofreading Service, you can become a full-time or a part-time book reviewer. On this site, you don't need to have any experience. You don't need to know it. You just need to love reading books. Thank you for your interest. You just have to come here. This is a full-time or a part-time or more positions, and you get to earn up to 19 to $46 per hour, depending on the turnaround time, with the highest pay for the most urgent deadlines. So you get to get paid 19 to $46 per hour. Imagine getting paid that kind of money every hour. How much you'll be making? So all you have to do is come to proofreadingservices.com and apply to become an online proofreader. When you apply and you get accepted, you start reading and reviewing books. So with proofreading, I'm gonna give proofreading an 8/10, because it's actually something that you can do full-time or part-time, and you don't need to have any experience or anything. You can even apply to become a ghostwriter and all the other things that you can see on the site. So I'm gonna give it an 8/10. What I'm gonna tell you guys is be honest. If you want to become a book reviewer, be honest in your reviews. Don't sugarcoat anything, don't lie. Say it as it is, and make sure to apply to more than one site. If you want to really take these as something that will give you money, apply to 2 or 3 sites that you can become a book reviewer. And make sure to be consistent. Consistency is the key to everything. Make sure you're consistent in everything that you're doing. If you want to become a book reader, make sure you're consistent. With consistency, you get to grow your profile. You get to get acquainted with other book reviewers on the site. Authors get to know you more. They get to become familiar with your name, your style of review, and so on. So you need to be consistent in order for you to get to the higher ladder of the site. So it's not going to pay you a huge amount of money like other things that you can do, but with your consistency, definitely you'll be earning something bountiful with time. So guys, that's the end of this video, and thank you all for sticking around. Thank you all. If this is your first time of coming to the channel, thank you for coming around. Make sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thank you all so much, and see you in our next video.